Hi guys, today we will talk about Samsung Galaxy A35. It's launched on March 2024. The Samsung Galaxy A35 dimensions: height 6.37 inches, width 3.07 inches, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight is 209 grams and the build front and back glass and plastic frame. The display of Samsung Galaxy A35, it comes with Super AMOLED display, size 6.6 inches and the screen to body ratio is 84.8% and the resolution is 1080p. The refresh rate is 120 Hz with 1000 nits peak of brightness and it's come with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus screen protection. The platform of Samsung Galaxy A35, it's come with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Exynos 1380 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 and it's come with Mali G68 GPU. The memory of this device, it's come with 6 plus 8 plus 12 gigs of RAM and 128 to 56 gigs of ROM and it supports micro SD card. Let's talk about the camera of this device. It's come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel micro and it records 4K 30 fps video with main camera and the selfie camera is 13 megapixel and it records 1080p 60 fps video with front selfie camera. Let's talk about the battery backup. It's come with 5000 mAh battery and 25 watt wired charging. No wireless charging, no reverse charging. The common and the feature, it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 3.0 and IP67 dust water resistant. And the price of Samsung Galaxy A35 is $320.